In this video series, I will be demonstrating NEPI Engine's built-in user application for Edge AI and automation solution development. In today's video, I will demonstrate NEPI's AI application for loading AI models from NEPI's onboard AI model library and connecting to available image streams. For this demonstration, I will be using an embedded GPU processor box with the NEPI Engine software installed and a connected NEPI IDX driver supported USB camera. I have also loaded a YOLO and YOLO Tiny Common Object Detector AI model onto the NEPI device's onboard AI model library. These models, as well as a tutorial on creating and deploying custom AI models, is available at nepi.com. After powering up your NEPI device and connecting to the NEPI device's RUI dashboard, select the Applications and AI tab. On the AI application page, there is an image view pane on the top left, and on the top right of the page, there are drop-down menus for choosing the image source you want to feed into your AI model and the AI model you want to load from the onboard AI model library. Below that is a slider that adjusts the detection threshold at which AI model detections are used based on the confidence value of each detection. After setting these three parameters, press the Start button to load the selected model and connect it to the selected image topic. Once loaded and connected, you will see the detection data overlaid on the input image in the image viewing pane. In addition to this detection image output stream, the AI application produces an ROS bounding box message with all the detection details that downstream applications such as automation scripts or control systems can use. Hopefully this gives you a good overview of NEPI's built-in AI application. Check out the other videos in this series covering NEPI's sequencer, automation, and connect applications.